We'd like to welcome you to the Hopedale Invitational as the Wildfire chase a championship on this Sunday morning. Facing off against the host of the tournament, the Hopedale team. Gwen Peculis is our Property Solutions starting pitcher. I'm Cameron Simpson. I got Declan Gragan and Liam Cunoff joining us this morning with Carl in the dugout. It's going to be an amazing day for a softball game as the number 1 Wildfire face-off against the number 8 Hopedale. Ready to get action underway this morning. Again, chasing our 7th straight championship appearance. Declan, what do you think needs to happen this morning? Gonna need to get the heads. Gwen is pitching to start. Did an amazing job yesterday. Looking to continue that today as we come at you from the first base line. We're gonna push the outfield later. Wildfire did an amazing job yesterday to get here. Looking to continue that this morning. Oh, what a throw down. Kingsley catching. Gwen pitching. Sir George Nodge's first pitch is away, and we're underway here from Hopedale. Pitch from Gwen. That's 2.
Ella, shoot that gap. Hazel, you're good there. Walk it. Just work so Shorty doesn't get there. You got that play.
He's ready to get the first out.
2 strikes. This one fouled. That was hit towards Carl.
Carl's feeling a little nervous after that one.
Flag it down. It gets to you.
No balls, 2 strikes. And Gwen with another one. A little high. Two strikes on here early. That one's up high, so it's 2 balls, 2 strikes. And here's the pitch. She forces a full count. That's going to be ball 4, so after having 2 strikes on her, she'll walk to first base. Runner gets her with a second base, so it's second base, no outs. Tough one for Glenn on the first go, had 2 strikes. Ended up walking. There's a strike.
Girls, make a play here. First base, first base.
Swinging. Runner on second. There's strike 3, so 1 out. Runner on second base with 1 out.
More towards the middle. Emma's right there. Emma coming with this ground ball there. Come again.
Pitch from Gwen. There's another one. Ripping strikes right now. Ball, and base runner gets to third base. Quarterfinal game this morning. Ticket to our 7th straight semifinal game is what's on the line. 1 runner in scoring position.
Good hitter.
Someone just missed the spot a little. Got her swinging, so 2 outs.
Good. 1 second. Infield, do not hesitate. Place the first.
Set my back up, right?
Pitch from Kingsley. Gwen, excuse me, Mrs. Lowe. Kingsley is catching.
Here it comes, girls. Action pitch here we go.
2 outs. Another foul ball.
Carlos once again feeling nervous after that one.
What?
Carlos getting a little scared over there.
Yeah, he is. Played this on this field the other day. Second game against the Newton Panthers. Then skies opened up on us, and we got moved to Milford for the 3rd game yesterday. This Hopedale team got rained out on Friday night. They played that remake on Saturday over on Milford as well. Against Milford. It's 2 walks. That would put our 2 runners on. So 2 walks, 2 outs, 2 people on base. 0-0 in the top of the 1st inning. This quarterfinal game is time limited, so we will only go 90 minutes. We'll only go till 9:50. Currently 9:40. So we still have a while to go in this game. That's going to be get us out of that. The runner on 3rd and the runner on 1st. We hit next. All right, Hazel gets ready to head up. The first batter in the bottom of the 1st inning. 0-0 game, and we are underway. Hazel takes ball 1. Coach Matt told the girls to sleep with their bats last night. After the bats were cold, not woken up, he said, sleep with these things. Treat them well. They'll treat you well. He wants a lot more hits this morning. Swing and a miss. Yeah, he did. Two balls, 1 strike. What? What did she do? Two balls, 2 strikes. So that one just missed high. Hazel lets this one go by, and that's going to be a walk, so Hazel gets to first base. Now Emma Clark, second batter's up, swinging at that one. About early, right? Isn't she early? So then just move over. Okay. Hazel did steal 3, as you can hear the... This is a pop up, and third baseman unable to get there, but it will go foul.
Time! Shoe check, ladies. Check your shoes, please.
Every game.
What happened?
Shoes untied.
One ball. 2 strikes.
1 and 2. Mackenzie on deck. Mackenzie had a great day yesterday. And Emma did too, getting on base. The pitch is all up high. Save the birdies.
Save the shorties, save the shorties.
That will be a walk. So Emma, great job there. Gets on base. So 2 walks in a row. We'll load first and third. And as Shorty comes up, talked about Mackenzie. Mackenzie had a great day yesterday. She struck out, or she was out once. There's another hit from Kenzie over the heads. Emma's on her way to second base. Hazel's on her way to third to score the first run. So Mackenzie gets there with an RBI, second and first, and Hazel makes her way home. So it's 1-0 Wildfire. So now Kingsley. Kingsley takes a whack. That's going to go to the outfield. Kingsley's on her way to second base. She had an infield the park home run last game. Kingsley winding to third. She's on her way home. The inside the park home run for Kingsley Gragan. And it's 4-0 after that rip from Kingsley. All right, welcome back to the Hopedale Summer Scorcher. I just corrected myself. Now I know what it is. I didn't realize that's what it was. Well, yeah, because I saw it the first day, but I didn't realize that's what it was. So now now the more you know, right?
Did your dad tell you?
No, he thought it was the Hopedale Invitational. All right, so a couple changes. Molly will go to third, and Sadie will play first. That's a normal thing that we do here.
What's our channel called?
The Charlton Summer Smash or Slam.
Wasn't that last year? Do we keep the same name every year?
What?
Do we do the same name every year?
Yeah. 1 ball, no strikes. Top of the second inning. Wildfire leading 4-0. After the bats were rocking. There's a strike. And Gwen gets 2 now. Looking to strike her out here. A couple of great strikeouts today for Gwen. Pitching amazing. With the 10U Rec Championships this week, I think there might be a championship in the future of that team. If Gwen continues to pitch this good. She's pitching amazing. Hit the ground first, so she's not going to get to first. Nope, I take that back. That's what I thought.
Natalia, take it. Sure, you hold.
Dagon will know that answer when he comes back.
In a little. Shorty, in. Put in front and back. More. Yep.
Wonder how Caro's doing.
We'll get a report with him. He's prepping one right now. Strike. Strike.
Get it, Steve. Tag her.
And that's going to be strike 3, so 1 out. Trip to the semifinals is on the line in this quarterfinal matchup. It's a pitch up high. Cassidy, Hazel, Ayla, and Gabby playing the outfield. Done a great job all season long back there, keeping the balls in play, preventing any big hits. Oh, all right. New rip. Rip. Rip.
Add you gonna catch next time.
So listen, after you're done batting, come in here just as quick as you can, okay?
I like that new rip chant. That might be the new one. Rip. That's a good one. I mean, it's never as good as the classic rip, but.
Well, you look amazing out there. Keep going, girl. Go, kid.
And that's going to do it. 3 strikeouts for Gwen. Great work. All right, ball's in coming down. Natalia gets ready to head up in the 4-0 lead by the Wildfire here in the bottom of the second. And here we go for Natalia here. So the Wildfire with a pretty good lead. The number 1 seed, hoping to not pull a Boston Bruins and lose to the 8 seed. 4-0 still. Rip. What?
I might be able to go to our rec championship.
Really? You're gonna go?
I might be able to, yeah.
If we make it, if obviously we make it. Which I'd be shocked if we don't. If I'm being serious, I'd be shocked. Oh, tough. Yeah, there was this. I just said that the Wildfire hoping not to pull a Boston Bruins and lose to the number 8 seed. Natalia on her way to second base. Cassidy up.
I mean, hey, look at the Celtics. They lost to an 8 seed too.
Yeah, but in the semis,
Still.
we're not losing in the first you know what I mean, first round. That would be pulling a Boston Bruin. Natalia on her way to third base now, with Cassidy up. 3 balls or 2 balls? Oh.
I haven't been paying attention.
Come on, Declan, pick it up. 3 balls. Coach telling her, get a hit here. Here we go. Cassie swinging. Oh. Three and 2, full count. And she'll make her way to first base. Just doing it for the pitch count, you know? Alright, here's Gwen. Rip. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. So second and third. No outs with Gwen. And it's Molly and Addie. Pitch for Gwen, takes a swing at it. Pitch for Gwen. Gwen takes a rip, and that's gonna head to the outfield, and she'll make her way to first base. Single for Gwen, and RBI. Now Gwen on her way to second, and she is safe. And then now Cassie makes her way to home. So out of all that, 2 runs are scored. It's 6-0. Gwen gets to second base. Now it's Addie. It's the ball. Pitch to Addie. Just missed. Gwen is on third base now. Newton Panthers and Milford playing on the other field. We'll know 2 teams in the semis by 10. And then the other semifinals is between the CC Seminoles and Wachusett. We'll play the winner of that, if of course we hold on to this lead. And the other fields, I forget the other 2 teams that are playing. Another ball. So Addie's on her way to first base. Now Molly. And the pitcher's they're going to talk to her quickly. Runner on third, runner on first with Molly up. What? I think we do need to get him mic'd up. A Coach Simpson mic up would be awesome. Rip, rip, rip.
I think we need a digger.
Yeah, Carl, how you doing this Sunday morning? Cam, Deglin, Liam. Great. Glad to be in the dugout this morning. Always awesome on a championship Sunday with the Sunday Red, the rip, rip chants. Nothing better. Carl, thanks for that. Carl doesn't have much to say today. Addie on second, Gwen on third. No outs.
Carl's just waiting for the thing.
Yeah, he's waiting. He's waiting. Pitch for Molly. This one is also low, so the bases are loaded. Presented by Ted. Here's Sadie. Sadie got moved up in the order for today's game. Here's a hit to first base. It's going to be an out, but a run is in. So it's an RBI for Sadie. 7-0. And now Gabby.
Bunt would be key right now.
Really?
Well, if we bunt, we can get our max 4 runs because we can score that guy from home. It doesn't matter if we get out at first.
True, it doesn't. That's a great point. Declan calling for the bunt here.
It would be a bunt.
All right, that's what Declan would do.
But you can always hit too. And we don't really need that extra one because it's already at goal time.
Oh, we're not at mercy yet.
Yeah, well, we're good.
We'll have to play one more.
We're in the second, right?
What?
We're in the third inning.
I think we're at the bottom of the third. Let me check Game Changer.
I think we're in the bottom of the second.
Oh, we are. We're only in the bottom of the second.
2 more.
Oh, that's a big hit.
Good thing we didn't sit out there.
Well, we would have been. Wait, we wouldn't even been there.
Hey, that girl almost didn't get inside the park.
Gabby gets the first. Base is reloaded. That's Milford playing on the other field, hit a big hit. So now Ayla up, 1 out. Yeah, bases are loaded. Could walk one in and that would make it 8-0 as we head into the third inning.
My name is Carl, and I should report a
And the pitch. Low. Pitch for Ayla, and that's going to be ball 4, and that will do it for the inning as the Wildfire take an 8-0 lead. We'll be right back with the third inning. All right, we're getting ready to get back underway here in the top of the third inning. Addie Staney coming in to catch. Cassie on second, Sadie on first, Hazel at short, Emma on third, Gwen still pitching, with Gabby, Kenzie, Molly, and Ayla playing the outfield. Oh, you see how he says it's like, Sha. Strike. Pitch low. Pitch from Gwen. Ball's up high. Nobody on. That's going to be ball 4, so she'll get her way to first base. What?
Good job. Good movement, infield. Good movement.
If we pull this one off, our next game will be at 12:30. If we can pull that one off, we'll play in the finals at 2:30. But it's all a matter of ifs at this point in time. What? What are you? Ooh, a little. What level are you on? You're on 5? Oh, I grinded. I got to 7 yesterday. Yeah, you do. Ooh, the swipe up ones are my least favorite. Oh, that's kind of fire. Is it really? 2 balls, 2 strikes. Pitch for Glenn. That's going to be strike 3. One runner on first base, 1 out. Pitch from Glenn. This is high. Oh, you're lying. Have you gotten one wrong yet? Oh, no, he's not. Yeah, you did. Do you use your coins? Oh, I don't use them. I'll just retry it. I like to save my coins. So this is high. One out, runner on third. With a 2-0 count. Strike. 2 balls, 1 strike. Didn't get on last time. Gwen gets another strike. And that's going to be 2 outs now. Ball. There comes Latin it up. That's a strike. 1 runner in scoring position with 2 outs in the top of the 3rd inning. We're still a while away from the time limit.
My screen time is down 6% from last year.
What?
My screen time is down 6% from last year. How much time do you average?
Still 50 minutes. 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yep. But we're only going to go to the top of the 4.
Guess how much time I average? Guess how much time I average?
What?
Guess how much time I average?
The pitch. And that's going to be strike 3. And that's going to be 3 outs. Bottom of 3rd inning next. What? Nice. My highest streak is 150. All right, Nikki, Hazel, and Emma are due up in this inning. So here's Nikki. Ball low.
lots of water.
I mean, we should go back. That's the thing. Hopedale's
Good job, Nikki.
And Nikki will get to first base.
Running hard, Nick. Running hard.
Hazel. Nikki on first base. No outs. Emma and Shorty are on deck. Hazel pops this one out of play. Don't lose, so we're 5.
One ball. One strike.
Ball. Two and 2 for Hazel. This is the count with the pitch. Ball 3. Nope. Ball 4. I didn't say. I thought you said 2 and 2, not 3 and 2. So it was a full count. Second and first. Here's Emma. Nikki gets to third base. Hazel gets to first. I need the second. Losing interest in this game pretty quick. If you wanna have a good time. Gonna need the shade here. And bases are loaded, presented by Ted's. With Mackenzie up. Mackenzie looked at it there. Mackenzie with a pop up, and that is not going to be caught. So it will be a single that gets 1 run in.
How many outs, Coach? How many outs? How many runs have we gotten so far? 1.
So still bases loaded with Kingsley up. Had the inside the park home run last time. Oh, wanted that one. Kingsley wanted that one. Hmm? 2 strikes, I think. Okay, Kingsley fouls that one. Got 2 strikes on her. Look, good ball, good eye, good eye. Today and yesterday, home runs. Inside the park, home runs. All the errors. But it is what that is. That's exactly what it is. Foul. Good eye for Kingsley. Kenzie on first. Emma on second. Hazel on third. Kingsley takes a swing at that one and she'll strike out. Still bases loaded. Here's Natalia. Sally took a swing. Try to take a golf swing. This time, let's stay down low. Don't lose, Devin. Good eye. Nine to nothing. 1 out. With 4 balls, so Natalia gets to first and walks in 1 run. Makes it 10-0 with Cassidy up. So that last run walked in, Kenzie on second, Emma on third, and Natalia on first, with Cassidy batting. Ball. Pitch, Cassidy looks at it. It's gonna be ball 4. It makes it 11-0. The walk by Cassidy.
What inning is it?
Bottom of the 3rd.
One more.
One more to go. And Gwen will foul that one out of play. Still bases loaded. 11-0 in the bottom of the 3rd inning. 1 out. That's a tough one. Probably not a strike, but umpire going to give him something here. And here comes Addie. 2 outs with the bases loaded. Addie looking to stay alive. Marathon of an inning here, around 13 minutes with the bases loaded. Addie will take a hit to 3rd. The throw to 1st is not there, and that's going to be 12. That will do it, 12-0. And we will end the game there, and the Wildfire will take a win on a mercy, a 12-0 final. And with that, we go to our Dick's Sporting Goods 3 stars of the game. I don't know the 3rd one. You guys figure that out? So, our first star of the game is Mackenzie. Continues to be on fire with a couple RBIs today. Next star is Kingsley. Also on fire with an inside the park home run. And our 3rd star of the game today. Everyone did a great job. Not a lot of great hits though, but we played good. Got a good run. So I don't know who's the 3rd star. Oh, Gwen. Gwen's the 3rd star of the game. Great pitching today. All right, with that, we'll leave you from here. We'll see you in the semifinals for the 7th straight time.